Welcome to our channel, where today we delve into the fascinating world of mindset and its profound impact on athletic performance. Imagine the power if we could elevate our abilities simply through focused mental effort. Not just a dream, but a reality many athletes have harnessed over the years. Let's begin by defining what we mean by mindset. Essentially, it is the established set of attitudes held by someone. In the realm of sports, we often talk about two types, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. A fixed mindset presumes that talent alone leads to success, with little room for improvement. In contrast, a growth mindset embraces challenges, persists despite setbacks, and sees effort as the path to mastery. But why is mindset so critical in athletics? Picture this. Two equally talented athletes face a high-pressure game. The one with a growth mindset is more likely to thrive under pressure, turning nervousness into a powerful driving force, whereas the athlete with a fixed mindset may crumble, doubting their innate abilities. Research shows that athletes who adopt a growth mindset are better at implementing visualization techniques, master commitment, and unleash their true potential. Visualization, or mental imagery, a hallmark of the growth mindset, is not just a tool, but a skill. It involves creating a mental image of the desired outcome before physically performing it. This technique is particularly beneficial for young athletes, laying a strong foundation for their future in sports. Through this mental rehearsal, athletes gain confidence, control nervousness, and improve overall performance. It's like having a mental playbook that prepares you for any scenario in the field. Now, let's talk about how athletes can turn nervousness into power. Pre-game jitters are common, even among seasoned pros. But those with the right mindset transform these nerves into energy that fuels their performance. It's all about viewing challenges as chances, an opportunity rather than a threat. This shift in perception not only alleviates anxiety, but also boosts pre-game confidence, turning an ordinary performance into an extraordinary one. Another critical component is building commitment. Commitment is not just about showing up, it's the unwavering dedication to improve, no matter the obstacles. This trait lies at the heart of personal development and success, reinforcing a growth mindset. Athletes who commit to honing their skills, learning from failure, and persevering are often the ones who reach the pinnacle of success. As we conclude, remember that the power of mindset transcends beyond sports. It shapes our daily lives. Whether you are an athlete, coach, or aspiring enthusiast, it's vital to cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, visualize success, and commit wholeheartedly. By doing so, you not only unlock potential, but also elevate your performance and life to new heights. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, make sure to subscribe for more engaging content. Let's aim to make every day, day one, not one day. Stay focused, stay committed, and until next time, keep pushing your limits.